Hello, Eco Clean Queen here. Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to my channel. I teach people how to clean using eco-friendly cleaning methods. Today I'm going to be talking to you about cleaning water. Currently, I am in Mexico and you cannot drink water from the tap. There is some bacteria in there and it will make you sick. If you're trying to avoid buying bottled water, I have a few tips in this video that will help you learn how to filter your own water. Okay, so let's get started.
In our apartment, we have a big jug of water. All we need to do is put a cup underneath the spout, press a button, and the jug will dispense filtered water. With the stove, you can boil your own water. This also kills any bacteria that can make you sick. And once it cools, it's perfectly fine to drink the water. After shopping for fruits and vegetables, I'll come home and lay out all the fruits and vegetables on my counter. Then I'll fill a pan of tap water and drop 10 drops of this bactericida solution and wait for 15 minutes, and the water will be great for me to wash everything. And then after I wash everything, I'll put it in the refrigerator or cook.
Maybe you're going on a hike and you don't want to carry big jugs of water. I will show you how to filter your water so that maybe if there's a waterfall at the end, you can use that water, filter it, and be able to drink that water. I invested in a SteriPen. A SteriPen is a great tool for me to filter water on the go. It filters half a liters and 1 liter. And basically you just push a button, stir the pen in the water, and it'll filter within a minute. It's worked for me for 3 years now, and I love it. I will leave the link in the description box below. First, take the cap off of the SteriPen. Next, grab your vase of water. I do not have a glass measuring cup, so I decided to use my coffee maker glass cup. This is 4 cups of water, which is about a liter. So first what you want to do is, it says right here, push once for 1 liter and press twice for a half a liter.
I'll go ahead and press it once for 1 liter. This turns it on. And then it's ready to be stirred into the water. Here's the water. Here's the pen. And when it's ready, it should turn green. If it didn't work right, it's gonna turn red. And then so you have to do the whole process over if it didn't work. Okay, as you can see, the light is green. So the water has been purified and it's ready to drink. Then I'll take a surgical rag to dry it off to completely eliminate any bacteria that could build up. And then I'll put the cap back on to avoid breaking this. This is made of glass. Okay, now the water is clean, and that's how I filter water when I'm traveling. You can take water from just about anywhere besides salt water, of course. If you like this video, click on the subscribe button right here. Give it a thumbs up. Also, tap the notification bell to be notified of any other upcoming videos. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.